Next is present perfect tense. Exercise 9. Write past tense of these verbs on the blanks. Break, broke. Drink, drank. Cut, cut. And past participle is also cut. Do, did. Sing, sang. Buy, bought. Find, found. Draw, drew. Hear, heard. Know, knew. I knew this, that is going to happen. Okay, I knew already what is going to happen. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense. Present perfect, you know that we have has, have followed by third form of the verb. Okay, I have lost my scooter key. All the students have arrived. Bunty has scored a goal. And then the verb you have to convert them into past participle, not past tense. It is past participle, means third form of the verb. Bubbly has slept in her car several times. It has not rained for 2 months. Many students have escaped from the school. Oh, it's very wrong. Many students have escaped from the school. The bus has reached at the school. Suruchi has made a sand house. Ram and I have gone to the market yesterday. Binay has seen this circus thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Okay. As if you remember, you were told that present perfect tense is used for the action which has been recently taken place. Okay, or it has just finished in the past and we are talking about that action in the present. Okay, like I have watched this movie. Okay, this movie you have watched somewhere in the past and you are talking about that at present. So this is present perfect. Now comes simple past tense. Okay, you just go through it. You already know that. Next exercise is exercise 11. Write the simple past tense of these verbs on the blanks. Take, took. Walk, walked. Rain, rained. Shut, shut. Shut, shut, shut. It will remain same in all the 3 forms. Open, opened with ed. Cry, cried. Tell, told. Write, wrote. Sit, sat. Read, read. Okay, remember, it is those they are both are spelt just equally, means they are जो spellings are they are same, but they are pronounced differently. It is read and that is read. In the past tense it becomes read. Close, closed. Cook, cooked. Next exercise 12. Fill in the blanks with the correct simple past tense. Who put off all the lights? Put will remain same. Okay, put का put ही रहेगा. Our school began at 8 a.m. She sold her old house and bought a new one. Bhupen climbed up the tower. Who opened all the windows? Next it is was and were. है ना, was with the singular and were with the plural. Okay, you just go through it. It's very easy to understand. Next is exercise 13. Fill in the blanks with was or were. We were the champions last year. Where is Remu? She was here yesterday. Mom and Dad were on vacation last week. The weather was fine this morning. There were a lot of students in bus yesterday. Past continuous tense we have to use in the following exercise. Jagu was drawing a horse in his notebook. Amar was sharpening his pencil. Some children were making a lot of noise. है ना, you people also make the noise. है ना. Salil was drinking juice yesterday. Usha and Indra were going, ing here, to cinema last Sunday. He was driving a car. future tense. Next is fill in the blanks with the correct future tense of the verb. Like Radha will find many flowers in her garden. If we ask her, she will teach us how to ride bicycle. Okay. Future tense we have will or shall followed by first form of the verb. है ना? We have studied, we know that there are three forms of the verb. Verb 1 that is present, verb 2 past, and verb 3 that is past participle. So in future also we use verb 1 but preceded by will or shall. If she works hard, she will pass her exams. I will write an essay about the world peace. Now they will be busy tomorrow. They are going to be busy tomorrow. One and the same thing means there are two ways to tell a sentence. They will be busy tomorrow is same as they are going to be busy tomorrow. I hope I will be ready on time. I hope I am going to be ready on time. We shall visit library this evening. We are going to visit library this evening. It will rain soon. It is going to rain soon. My uncle will take us for the movie tomorrow. My uncle is going to take us for the movie tomorrow. Means the same sentence. In place of will, what we are using here? We are using is going to or are going to. Okay. So again, you can go through this. Next exercise is exercise 17. Fill in the blanks by using shall or will as required. Shall I call her? Okay. You just go through it. When it's a promise, we use will. When it's a threat, then also we use will. When there is a determination, means when there is you are emphasizing something, then also we use will. And then when we use shall, if we are asking some questions, shall I call him? For that we use shall. These are the important notes. Just go through them and accordingly fill the blanks. You will do as I like. Okay. You are ordering someone. I shall be happy to help you. You shall have my book or you will have my book. Both are correct. I shall come to office. Mostly we and I are followed by shall. We shall never forgive him. I shall speak in spite of your objection. You will not tell a lie. Or you shall not tell a lie. Okay. In a general way, it is you shall not tell a lie. And if you are emphasizing, okay, if you are just telling this sentence with a emphasis, so then it is you will not tell a lie. You shall be admitted in this university. He will be brought to justice. Can and could. Exercise 18. Fill in the blanks with can, could, may or might. The baby is crying. She could be hungry. Dash I borrow your car? May I borrow your car? I don't know where Sita is. You might find her in the library. Okay. Or it may be may. You can have may also. You may find her in the library. Dash you drive. Can you drive? Who dash answer the question? Who can answer the question? Dash you show me the way to the zoo. Could you show me? It's a request. Could you show me the way to the zoo? He dash play the piano. He can play the piano. Vivek dash make a kite. Vivek can make a kite. It dash rain tomorrow. It's a possibility. So it might rain tomorrow. They dash be transferred to Chennai next month. They might be or may. Both are acceptable. They might be transferred to Chennai next month. Do, does or did. Did, this it is used in past tense. Do or does with they are used in present tense. Next exercise is, it is do, does or did as helping verb to ask and answer questions. Do you want breakfast? Who broke this pen? है ना, this is past tense, so Sudha did. Does Sunil often fail? Yes, he does. Did you complete your homework? Yes, we did. Do kids like to play? Yes, they do. Do you love storybooks? Yes, we do. Do you need my help? Yes, I do. Does Vivek like to join us? Yes, he does. You can do it by yourself. Use do not, does not and did not to make other verbs negative. Like do not forget to switch off the fan. Don't tell lies. The baby does not look very happy. Dinesh did not catch the last bus. Fill in the blanks like how dash you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Dash you work quietly. Okay. Did you work? No, it is do your work quietly. He dash not have any brothers. He does not have any brothers. Dash not play on a busy street. Do not play on a busy street. Dash a snake have legs. Does a snake have legs? Does, why? Because it is a followed by a singular noun. Dash cats like to eat fish. Do cats, है ना, cats is plural, so it is preceded by do. Do cats like to eat fish? Now similarly we have would or should. Okay, would or should. Would is a past tense of will and should we use for something that we should do or we must do. Fill in the blanks with would or should. You dash not play with fire. You should not play with fire. He promised that he would meet me after school. Okay, this is what he is going to do in future. है ना? We dash not waste water. We should not waste water. You should all pay attention in class. What would we do now? है ना? What we do now. Means हम क्या करें अब? That is what would we do now. It is about future. Next, past perfect tense, that also you have studied. Now here are some related exercises you can go through. They are all the three forms: present, past and future. Exercise, prepare a table for each of the following sentences. है ना? We see means the same table you have to draw. We see is a present, past में क्या होगा? We saw, and future में we will see. Okay. Similarly, this way, continuous में we will, we are seeing, we were seeing, we will be seeing. Perfect में we have seen, we had seen, and we will have seen. Perfect continuous, we have been seeing, we had been seeing. Okay, we will have been seeing. Ravi sings. The same way you have to do the way we have done in the above table. In the same way you will fill this table also. Now exercise 22. Identify the tense. If you know the tenses very well, it is very easy for you to identify these sentences, and similar exercise you can be asked in exam also. For example, it has been raining since morning. Which tense it is? It is present perfect continuous. The machine has stopped working. Present perfect. He does not work here. Simple present. I don't know. It's a simple present negative. I don't know the answer. Again, simple present negative. I have invited them to the party. Present perfect. Do you know the answer? Present tense interrogative. I will not permit this. This is simple future. The sun rises in the east. Simple present. Birds live in nests, simple present. I am reviewing my grammar lesson, present continuous. She is playing with her doll, again present continuous. We have been living on this street since 1995, again it's similar to this one, present perfect continuous. It has stopped raining, again it is present perfect. The child was crying, past continuous. I will be waiting for them, future continuous. She will have finished her job, future perfect. I will stop them, future indefinite or simple future. I will be playing in the garden, future continuous. Vinay had been watching TV since morning. Okay, this is past perfect continuous. Dr. Sehgal was engaged in social work. It is simple past. Okay, here you have answers. That's it.